At Grace's production site in Worms, one thing matters above all else: precision under extreme conditions. This is where chemical materials are produced that are used in many industries, for example, in refineries or in the manufacture of medicines. In demanding conditions such as heat, abrasive materials, and continuous operation, reliable weighing technology is crucial. That is why Grace has relied on analog compression load cells of the Minebea Intec type for decades. In combination with the FlexLock mounting kit, these are integrated securely and with process stability into silo and tank structures. The advantage: by omitting integrated electronics in the load cell itself, it is particularly durable, even under the most demanding conditions. Grace is also relying on this tried and tested solution and on the expertise of Minebea Intec for a new project involving 3 additional silos. Together, the existing solution was analyzed and adapted to meet new requirements. Even at this early stage, key factors such as environmental conditions, wind loads, and structural requirements were incorporated into the planning. This results in weighing solutions that are precisely tailored to the processes and function reliably in the long term.